In this video, we learn about multiplication of two monomials with detailed explanation. For that, we have to consider the two monomials 4ab and 5b. With the basic example, we understand the whole concept. So to understand this concept, continuous with me till the end of this video. Now, we can find the answer of this 4ab multiplied by 5b in 2 step or 1 step also, but in this video we discuss about detailed solution. Okay, for finding the 8 products we use the repeated use of this property, commutativity and associativity. Commutativity means a multiplied by b can be written as b multiplied by a, and associative means a into b into c is there. So if we find the product of a into b, or if you find the product of b into c first and obtain the product, then answer doesn't change. That is the properties. Now we have 4ab multiplied by 5b. So 5b can be written as 5 multiplied by b. So now we use here the commutative property. So we sweep the order. So we can write b into 5 in place of 5 into b. So 4ab multiplied by b into 5 or multiplied by 5. Now look at, now we have to regroup it. So that's why we use associativity property. So in bracket 4ab multiplied by b multiplied by 5. Now 4ab can be written as 4a multiplied by b. So right there, and multiplied by b, bracket complete, multiplied by 5. So now we write in the product 4a multiplied by b multiplied by b, bracket complete, multiplied by 5. So now b into b, that means b multiplied by b. So if there is no power put it onto b, so that means 1 is there. So we know that bases are same, power should be added by using laws of exponents. So b raised to the power 2. So put here b raised to the power 2 and you get 4a multiplied by b square multiplied by 5. So 4a into b square means 4ab square multiplied by 5. Now we again use the commutative property. So it can be written as 5 multiplied by 4ab square. So now that means 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by ab square. So we again use the commutative property, and that is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by ab square. That means here we use the associative property. So 5 into 4 gives 20 multiplied by ab square, and answer is 20 ab square. In this way you get a detailed explanation of why 4ab multiplied by 5b is equal to 20 ab square. Now how solve directly? We take the more two example to understand it. And if you like this video and understood the concept, so please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Now two examples are, before solving these two examples, first we have to understand what happened here. Numerical coefficient is multiplied with numerical coefficient and algebraic factor is multiplied with the algebraic factor, and if we observe the bases are same, so we can add their power. So here also it can be written as 5 multiplied by x square multiplied by y is multiplied by 6 multiplied by x multiplied by y. Then combining the constant term, variable with same basis, y into y. So you 5 into 6 is 30, x square into x, that is x cube, because 2 plus 1, that is 3. Y into y, y square is the final answer. Now next, minus 5x square y multiplied by 6xy. So difference is only here negative, so answer should be minus 30x cube y cube, sorry, y square. Thank you students. If you understood it, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends.